lost, buried beneath mistakes and cost. But through these principles I've found a solid place, a firmer ground. With every failure I still rise, a work in progress. I realize it may be slow, but it's secure. A life of meaning, one that's pure. Am I thanking God for guiding me along the way? Through every setback, every fall, His love rebuilds, it conquers all. The life I lost is now in bloom. Each step I take breaks through the gloom. Build your life on gratitude, a humble heart, a clearer view. Discipline the frame you raise, in service found through all your days. The walls are love, the roof is prayer, a quiet trust in God's own care. Surround your soul with peace of mind, a garden of faith that's intertwined. It's not the end, but the journey we see. Each step of faith brings clarity. Lay each brick with patience and grace. God's hands will guide this sacred space. Through storms and doubt, this house will stand, built by His love and steady hand. Am I thanking God for guiding me along the way? Through every setback, every fall, His love rebuilds, it conquers all. The life I lost is now in bloom. Each step I take breaks through the gloom. So here I stand, a work undone, but building still beneath the sun. With every breath, I'll trust His plan, each stone laid by His guiding hand. It will be good, this life I grow, a masterpiece He'll one day show.